Consider the quadratic sequence 2, 5, 6, 5, 2. Determine the nth term of the sequence in the form of Tn is equals to an squared plus bn plus c. Since it's a quadratic sequence, it usually has two differences, right? And the second difference is always common, right? It's always the same. So let's write this out. Now, making our first difference, meaning subtracting each of the consecutive terms you're going to get. And getting our second difference, which we expect to be equal. This one is going to give you 1 minus 3 is negative 2. Negative 1 minus negative 1 gives you negative 2. Negative 3 minus minus 1 gives you negative 2. So now we normally say that this, so A is equal to this here, 3A plus B is equal to this, and this A plus B plus C. So simplifying this to get our values, we're going to say that 2A is equal to negative 2. So therefore, A is equal to negative 1. Now substituting A into the second equation, we're going to have 3, negative 1, plus B is equals to 3. So therefore, we're going to have B is equals to 6 when that moves over. Then for the third one, you're going to have negative 1 plus 6 plus C is equals to the term here, which is 2, right? So this is 5 goes over, it becomes negative 5, so you have C is equal to negative 3. So our equation for Tn is negative n squared plus 6n minus 3. So that's the equation that will be given. Okay, so that's all they wanted from you for question 2, and that's it.
In the great outdoors, forever free, you and me, meant to be.